Okay guys, Airgun Angie with Airgun Web and Airgun Web TV. I've got my AirVenturi Personal Compressor again, and I've told you guys before, I love it. I've had it for, I believe it's been a year. I'd have to look back and see, but I believe it's been at least a year. And I've done some maintenance here and there, and it's time to change the filter. So I've changed the oil, and now I want to show you guys how to change the filter. My sponsors are Airgun Pro Shop. Thank you so much for sending me the products so I can check them out. If you guys are looking for any airgun products, whether it be air guns, compressors, tanks, ammo, Airgun Pro Shop has a plethora of airgun fun. So go check them out at www.airgunproshop.com. So first off, what you guys are going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, again, to take this outer casing off of the AirVenturi compressor to get to the filter compartment. So you take the outer casing off. And then you're going to need a wrench to unlock the top of the compartment. And it can be a little tough. Loosen that up, twist it off. Simple, 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 guys. It has a little tiny needle in the top of the filter when you open it up. I had to get pliers to pull it out. And when you pull the filter out, you can see it's not really that bad. I haven't changed the filter yet since I've had it. I know, bad me. But it really didn't look that bad. So I went ahead and I took it out. You want to pull the little metal stand out. It has like a skewer that goes all the way through it, which makes it easy to remove and replace. Put it back in the new one. And then you're going to just push the new one back in the filter casing. That's pretty much it, guys. Put your outer plate back on the AirVenturi compressor and you're done. I'm Airgun Angie with Airgun Web and Airgun Web TV. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all don't just have a good day, have an awesome one. See ya. Simple, 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 guys.